Hi friends, today I'm going to show you how to repair a laptop battery. As you can hear the noise of inside the battery. So let's open it. Be careful while opening the battery casing because it's attached with the clips, and if a clip is broken it cannot be repaired again. So take extreme care while opening the cover. So I'm opening as you can see, I'm taking extreme care while opening the cover. Once the cover is open, we will start repairing. As you can see, the cover is open now. I've opened it and there are 9 cells in this battery. So let's see where the problem is. As you can see, the wire is broken, the connection is broken. So the problem lies here. Before fixing it, I'm gonna check the health of each and every cell individually. Each cell gives an output of 3.7 volts. Now let's check the health of the first cell. It's giving me around about 3.27 volts, which shows that the cell is in pretty good health. Now the second one is 3.32 and the third one is 3.32. This shows that all the cells are in very good health. Now let's fix it. I'm using this soldering iron for soldering this. Please take care while soldering this. Do not overheat the cell with the soldering iron, it can damage the cell. So the connection is done. Now I'm gonna check the final output of all the cells. Let's check it out. It's giving me 9.94, which is almost 10 volts DC. The job is done. Now let's close it. Please make sure while closing this cover no clip is broken. Once it's closed, it's ready to be used. As you can see how carefully I am closing this.